In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in Pipedrive. When people talk about lists in Pipedrive, they're really talking about using filters in the list view to segment your data. So instead of importing or manually typing out a list somewhere, you'll create a smart, reusable filter that automatically shows only the records you care about. First, decide what kind of records you want in your list. That might be your deals, your leads, or your contacts. At the top of your Pipedrive workspace, click into either deals, leads, or people. This is important because the list you create will only apply to the section you're currently in. For example, a filter you build under deals won't show up under people. Once you're in the right section, look at the top left area of the screen and switch to the list view. By default, deals often open in a board or pipeline view with columns. You want to move away from that and into a simple table layout. To do that, click the list icon, which changes the screen from the board-style pipeline to a spreadsheet-style list of records. This is where filters work best. Next, you're going to add a filter, which is what actually creates your list. In the top right corner of the list view, find the filter icon and click it. A drop-down will appear. From there, choose Add New Filter. This tells Pipedrive that you want to define a new set of rules that the system will use to show you only certain records. Now it's time to set your conditions. Think about how you want to narrow down your data. For example, maybe you want a list of people whose email starts with a certain letter, or deals that are in a particular stage, or leads created in the last 30 days. In the filter builder, choose a field, then a condition, and then a value. For instance, you could set it to person, then email, then starts with, and then enter a letter. As you adjust conditions, Pipedrive will update the list in real time so you can see if your filter is working as expected. When you're happy with the results, make sure to save your work. Click Save, then give your list a clear, descriptive name, like New Leads This Month, or Contacts by Email Prefix. Saving it means you can quickly select this filter in the future without rebuilding it every time. That's all there is to it. By using filters in the list view, you've effectively created a dynamic, reusable list right inside Pipedrive.